Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we explore the ultimate guide to earning money through affiliate marketing. How to start affiliate marketing and make money. Following the 5 steps below, you can learn how to do affiliate marketing and make money quickly. Step 1. Create content that generates affiliate revenue. The basic meaning of affiliate marketing is simple, and it's relatively easy to get started. However, building enough traffic to generate a significant income takes time and effort. Many beginners publish random content and insert affiliate links within the article. That strategy may or may not work, but if you genuinely want to boost your affiliate revenue, you must ensure your published content reaches your target audience. Your target audience is someone who wants to buy a product, but is wondering whether or not the product is worth it. They're searching for product reviews, lists, and ratings to help them make their choice. Sometimes, the user may need help knowing which product will fulfill their needs. As an affiliate marketer, it's your job to help users discover the right product for their needs. By producing high-quality content, you can help them make a purchasing decision, and then you can navigate them to the product website to complete the purchase. These are the Google search terms that your target audience uses to research the product they're interested in. You can check out our guide on choosing the right keywords for more details. Step 2. Promote your affiliate products in the content. Just like the keywords you target, you should take an investigational approach to your content. Focus on topics that provide the information your target audience is searching for. Once you've done your keyword research and have your content ideas, it's time to start inserting affiliate links in your content. How you insert your affiliate links will depend on the specific article you're writing. For instance, you shouldn't add 5 different affiliate links to a review post for a single product. Instead, your entire post should focus on driving traffic to that one product's affiliate link. On the other hand, if you are showcasing the top 10 tools for solving X, you'll include affiliate links for each list item. Doing so will increase your chances of making more sales. The goal is to insert your links as strategically as possible. Here are a few tips to get the most out of your affiliate links placement. Only link where appropriate. Don't add an affiliate link if it doesn't fit your content. Irrelevant links will negatively impact the user experience, UX, and cost you more lost sales in the long run. Add links as early as possible. If you are showcasing many products in one article, add your affiliate products at the top of a list. Most people won't take the time to read an entire article. You want to make sure they see your affiliate links early on. Get more out of your site space. You can use floaty bars, inline banners, and sidebar widgets to promote your affiliate products. These enhance the impact of your content and lead to more sales over time. Here's an example of affiliate links from a post by IZWB. It lists the best recipe plugins for WordPress. The first several items in this list are affiliate links. This strategy ensures that readers will see the affiliate links, while still allowing them to research all options. Again, you want to promote your links often, appropriately, and as powerfully as you can. Imagine having to sort through and update hundreds of expired affiliate links. This task becomes even more difficult when you have no idea where you've placed them on your website. You're looking at hours of headaches. Plus, when you let your links expire, you lose out on tons of profit. Pretty Links is an affiliate marketing management plugin that lets you keep track of your affiliate links. It's easy to set up and super user-friendly, even for beginners. Best of all, it lets you put your affiliate marketing on autopilot. It also lets you cloak affiliate links to make them look short and neat. This makes them easy to share through emails and social media. Whenever you need to update your old affiliate links from your partners, you'll be able to accomplish it in minutes, not days. Plus, if you do run into trouble, Pretty Links has an amazing support team to help you at each step. At this point, you've created the right content and strategically placed your links using an affiliate management plugin. Next, it's time to kick things up a notch with targeted conversion campaigns. Step 3. Turn your visitors into affiliate customers. One of the biggest mistakes new affiliate marketers make is assuming they need 10x the traffic to get 10x the profit. It doesn't work that way, which is excellent news for you. For example, let's say you're promoting a product that pays a $50 affiliate commission for every sale. Out of every 100 visitors who click your affiliate link, 2 of them buy the product. This gives you an affiliate conversion rate of 2%. That means the CPC, cost per click, you earn is $1 per click. CPC equals total affiliate revenue / total traffic you sent. If you send 2x more visitors to the affiliate product site, you could also double your affiliate revenue. Thankfully, you don't have to drastically increase traffic to double your affiliate clicks. Instead, you can boost your revenue with a conversion optimization campaign. With conversion software like OptiMonster, you can increase your revenue by converting more of your existing traffic into affiliate customers. Without a doubt, this strategy is much easier than doubling your traffic. Step 4. Optimize your existing traffic for more revenue. This next step comes from a strategy that's driven by something called the 80/20 rule. The 80/20 rule, in this case, suggests that 80% of your profits will come from 20% of your content. While it's not an exact metric, the basic principle stands firm. Identify your highest converting content. Make those posts the priority for your affiliate campaigns. Once you know that a particular post or video is resonating with your audience, you can create a targeted campaign with OptiMonster to increase affiliate sales. This is a much better plan of action than blindly making campaigns for every page on your site. How do you get started? Jump into your Google Analytics dashboard. Identify the articles that bring in the most content, and then create targeted campaigns for those URLs. Step 5. Grow affiliate revenue from your email list. No matter how you look at it, email marketing is still the best way to earn passive income. All of the other methods fall short in some way. Search engine optimization, SEO, is great until Google changes its algorithm and your rankings tank. Paid ads can bring quick results, but only if you have the budget for a lot of trial and error. Paid ads require also constant care and attention to keep conversion rates high. But your email list gives you a direct route to your target audience. It's full of people who are interested in your niche and have already engaged with your content. That means they'll make an ideal audience for your affiliate marketing campaigns. Unfortunately, many businesses struggle to grow their contact list to the point where monetization is possible. If you enjoy this video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.